knowledge of the words is in concept. For mastering the concept, I would like to invite Parveen. So put your hand together for Parveen.
Very great morning everyone present here. First of all, I want to pay my humble thanks to Mr. Vijay Gandhi sir to issue me such an excellent opportunity to speak here in front of you. Today, I am Parveen standing in front of you for mastering the concept on the biology topic genetic disorders. Friends, have you heard about the disease like the hemophilia, color blindness? Do you know how these are spread? Is there anyone? Okay, today we are going to discuss about some of these diseases. The disease like the common cold or the ringworms, these are spread by touching the other things of an infected person. But the disease like the hemophilia, color blindness are transferred from parents to the offspring. These are not spread by some infections. So, the genetic disorders, the disease that are caused by the change in the DNA sequence of person, these cause the genetic disorders. There are two types of genetic disorder, that is the Mendelian and second one is the chromosomal disorder. The Mendelian disorder are caused due to the change in the single gene, but chromosomal disorders are caused due to the one or more chromosome in the cell. Mendelian disorders include autosomal, autosomal can be recessive or the dominant, and the sex-linked that can also be recessive or the dominant. So, first of all, color blindness. It is a sex-linked recessive disorder caused due to the failure to discriminate between the red and the green color, and this occurs on the X gene. So, the males are 8% affected by the color blindness, but the affected females are only 0.4%. Let us understand how this. Firstly, take the parents as, firstly suppose that the female is affected. This can be represented as, and the male is normal. So, we have the gametes X and XC, and from the male these are X and Y. So, the progeny will be firstly cross this with both of these, and then second we have so from here we can see that there are 3 normal progenies and 1 affected. This is the carrier of the disease. We can represent as, this is the carrier and this represent the normal. Now, let us take our second case, when the female is affected. So, for the female to be affected, the mother has to be carrier and the father should be color blinded. So, for this, we have the genes. So, the gametes produced from here are X and XC, and from father are XC and Y. On crossing these, we have the progeny as Now I want to ask how many these are carrier and how many are affected in the progenies. Asha, please tell me. How many progenies are affected and how many progenies are the carrier of disease?
Yes, in this XXC is the carrier,
Yeah,
XY is the normal,
yeah, right answer.
XC is the factor.
Yes, absolutely right. Yes, please clap for Asha. Next, we will discuss about the disease hemophilia. This is also a sex-linked recessive disorder caused due to the cascade proteins. The persons in whose genes the cascade proteins are absent, a small cut will result in the continuous bleeding, non-stop bleeding. So, the family tree of the Queen Victoria is a good example of the disease hemophilia. Let us discuss some causes of the hemophilia. Firstly, when the female partner is normal, but the male partner is affected. So, we have the gametes. On crossing this, we have the progeny as X and XH. Now I want to ask how many these progenies are normal and how many are the carriers. Nisha, please tell me.
50% of the progeny is normal and 50% of progeny is carrier.
Yeah, absolutely right. Please sit down. Here, the 50% of the progenies are normal, but these are the carrier, not affected. We have the second case. Here, the female is normal, but the male is affected. So, we have second case when the female is the carrier and the male is normal. We have the gametes as on crossing this, we have the progenies. Here also we have the same results. The 50% are normal and only the one is the carrier and one is affected. The male progeny this is affected. This is also carried by the X gene. So in the males there are the chromosome X and Y, but in females there is X and X. So for the female to be the affected, the male partner has to be hemophilic and the female partner should be a carrier. So this is all about these genetic disorders. I hope you all got this. Thank you for listening me attentively. Thank you and have a nice day.